Hi guys, good morning. So it is Monday. Let me see what day. I think it's the 6th, um, November 6th. So I wanted to come on here and say thank you to the ladies who have signed up for this Sanrio swap. And right now, as of right now, today at 9:30 this morning, we have 15 names. I just need 5 more and we will close this. I will probably close this tomorrow, which is Tuesday, the 7th. I'll close it up at, let me see, 1 p.m. At 1 p.m. November 7th, I will close this swap. And if we only have 15, three of you ladies will be doing a swap together unless I get another one. And then it'll be, an even number. Because right now we have 15 people signed up for the swap. Now remember, the swap started, or the opening started November 1st. I'm trying to hurry up and close the swap. So if you're interested and you haven't signed up yet, or if you tried to sign up in the comment in the YouTube video below, or the sign up video, please hit me up on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's the same name as my YouTube channel, at Eileen Payne. Message me on Instagram and tell me that your comments, because as soon as somebody messages me on Instagram saying their comment isn't there, I go into the YouTube studio and their very last comment appears. Like, why is my comment being removed? That is the last comment that I see. I don't see anything previous to that. So just message me on Instagram. I don't know why it's doing it, but for the last few people who have signed up, they've been telling me that their comments have been removed. So if you've commented on YouTube and you don't see your comment there, message me on Instagram. I'm so sorry for this mess up. I don't know what YouTube was doing to my comments. The first few people that signed up, I wasn't having any issues, and then later on, as the video was up longer, I was having issues with that, with the messages. So I'm so sorry for that. I don't know why it's doing that. But I do now have those last few ladies that have messaged me, Janova, Leanne, Danessa, and Fritzy. You all, I've seen your last comments that say, why are my comments being removed? I have you on there, especially because you messaged me and I just went in there and just put you're in, then you're in. So like I said, so we only have 5 more left. You at least have to enter 3 characters, guys. I know some of you only entered 1. For now, that's fine. But, you are very limiting. I mean, almost all of us like Hello Kitty on the list so far. But, whatever. It is what it is. I want at least 3. If you can do 3, or if you have 3 of your favorites, just let me know. The other thing, the deadline is January 15th. 2024. So I'm giving you the whole holiday, season, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. You're getting all of that because the holidays are so tightly together. So January 15th is the last final mail out date. That doesn't mean that is the day that you're going to all send it to each other. That is the final date. So if you finish your swap earlier, communicate with your swap partner and say, hey, are you ready? I'm ready. Do you want to send now? Do you want me to hold it? You want to wait? Just communicate. That's how I want you guys to cooperate for the swap, okay? And also use the hashtag. I know I have it on the sign up video across the bottom. The hashtag is, where did it go? Where did my hashtag go? Anyway, it's hashtag Eileen Sanrio Swap 2024. Okay. I don't even know where I put it. I don't know. Anyway, please, if you don't understand what is required of you, go back to the original video and watch the video if you want. You could also put the video on YouTube. You could put it to a faster speed. You can run it through faster, or you could just, you know, slide across. It's up to you. But yes, we do have 5 slots still available. I will close this swap Tuesday, November 7th at 1 p.m. and I am Central Standard Time. If you missed the deadline, I'm sorry, guys. I mean, this has been open for a while, November 1st till now. So it's a lot of time. And these ladies are eager and ready to go. And I want to partner them up with, you know, with someone that, you know, can be a friend and get this swap going, because I'm excited. I've already loaded a video this morning, just showing you a few of my things that I do have. And you guys, I cannot find my Hello Kitty die. So yeah, there you have it. Anyways, if you're not following me on YouTube and Instagram, please do so. And the participants here in the swap, if you're not following each other, I suggest you guys go ahead and follow each other and hit those notification bells. That way, when you each load your videos or your Instagram posts, and yes, I did say those of you don't load videos, I've made this exception. We're going to go ahead and let Instagram post account for this swap. But you have to use the hashtag. The hashtag on both YouTube and Instagram will work. And I already started a playlist. So any videos that I load here on out with the Sanrio, it's going to be on that playlist, which is Eileen's Sanrio Swap 2024. It's going to be the same as the hashtag. Okay, so use that hashtag. And if you don't know how to put the hashtag in your YouTube videos, when you're loading the video, as part of the description box, you can add the hashtag sign with the hashtag name, put it all together. It'll automatically tag the video. Okay. I know this is very rambly, but I'm trying to keep this short and sweet. The deadline is for the swap to close. I'm going to close it November 7th, which is Tuesday. Which will be tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. The deadline, the final deadline for you to mail out your swap is all the way out to January 15th. Okay, guys? January 15th. That is postmarked. That's the last day that you could send it out. You could send it out anywhere between that time. And now you could do that with your swap partner. Communication. Okay, guys? Communication is key. I'm going to tilt my phone up so that I can show you where what I'm talking about in the video description box. Let me just show you. Right, tilt up. Uh-oh. My phone tilt. There you go. Gotta take it off. All right, so right here you can see the description box. I use this hashtag right there. Hashtag Eileen Sanrio Swap 2024. It is also at the bottom, the very bottom of the video. You just use that, all caps, all together. That's all you got to do. Okay. And I'm going to stop talking now and let you all go. Hopefully by Tuesday after closing the sign up, you will know who your swap partner will be, and I will post it on Instagram, our chat group. That's where you're going to see where your partner is. Okay, guys? But yeah, thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you all on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.